Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's kind of like an educational video, I guess, with part 1 to Lee's Guide to Becoming a Better Human. This is an experimental series, kind of like a TV pilot episode. If you like it, then make sure to tune in next time because there might be another episode. Well, it's either that or I'll be the person who uploads a part 1 and then kind of just forgets to upload a part 2 and then triggers all of you by just not posting a part 2 and just having a part 1 and then So get yourself in your chairs with your thick glasses on and your sharpened pencils and let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to become a better human. I know no one wanted this, so if you want to leave, I think now's the time. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Well, go on, leave. Bastard. Well, I guess you stayed because you're still here. And now you've chosen to stick with me with this insane idea. Here we go. Now, to become a better human, you must first learn about the 6 FBBHs. That's an acronym for what I like to call the 6 fundamentals to becoming a better human. The 6 fundamentals are like the structure or the core of the whole process to becoming a better human. It's like a self-help book, but it's worse because I'm doing it. We'll go more in depth of the fundamentals in part 2 and 3, maybe, if you want. If you don't want, then I'm gonna have to scrap the whole entire writing thing I had going on here. It was gonna be great. I'm very disappointed in you now. Like the video, please. Anyway, as this is your introduction to my new series of Becoming a Better Human, I should probably tell you what exactly I mean by becoming a better human. By being a better human, I mean that I will explore thoughts and ideas that I think could help you, that's you, improve your lifestyle in a way that I think may be beneficial to you. Now, if you're here for some serious advice, probably not going to be able to give it to you. Seek professional help. I don't think I'm qualified to do that. So I'll give you either good or bad advice that could help you improve on a flaw that you may have. As I said, it's like a self-help book, but worse because I'm doing it. This will help with ideas such as hygiene, looks, and if it expands, many other things. Now for the next videos on explaining the 6 fundamentals of becoming a better human, they'll be in like grouped sections. For example, hygiene and looks may be in the same video, but they'll be broken down into like sections. This means that there'll be brief talks about like each subject. But remember, I'm not going full on all of them, okay? If you want that, then you should probably look online or even go to a doctor, really, like probably a good idea. I feel like I should give you a little taste for this first part on Lee's Guide to Becoming a Better Human. So for your first introduction of becoming a better human, I'm going to be talking about humor. So a way to become better at being a human is through humor. Humor is this universal kind of general understanding of of things, I don't know. Now, you may think you know all about humor, but do you really? Humor by definition is the quality of being amusing or cosmetic, especially expressed in literature or speech. Like if, for say, I just had myself come in from the background. Like me? No, not you, go away. Wrong person. Wait. What? Did you know that every 5 in 8 people suffer from making bad jokes? No, I just made that up. But here's some examples of some bad jokes. Example 1. The interrupting cow. Knock knock. Who's there? Interrupting cow. Moo!
Not funny.
What? No, it's not. It's a great joke. It's really not. The can opener. What do you call a can opener that doesn't work? I don't know. A can't opener. That is so bad. Never do that again. Or number 3. Hey, what do you get when you combine a rhetorical question and a joke? Huh. Very funny. Hey, you're getting it, you're getting it. It's funny, right? No, it's the worst joke I've ever heard. Absolutely horrible. The key is to actually make the joke kinda in the spur of the moment. If not, then the joke is really lame and actually kinda boring. Doesn't really work. Well, it looks like we're out of time, but if you can, try to comment and like on the video if you liked it, and maybe even hit the subscribe button with the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Yeah, you can do that by clicking right here, or check out this video. It's specifically personalized to you. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, just if you wanna check out any of my other content. Not a big deal or anything, I guess. Anyway, apart from that, I hope you have a great day and maybe even tune in next time for a possible part 2. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye!